Seniors eat these three cheeses to rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia. You've heard that protein is key to staying strong as you age. But did you know that three everyday cheeses hold the power to kick muscle loss to the curb? While most seniors reach for steak or chicken, the real heroes in your grocery aisle are cottage cheese, ricotta, and Parmesan, each packed with unique proteins and nutrients that trigger muscle repair, boost strength, and keep you steady on your feet. Every fact I'll share comes straight from clinical studies and real-life results, so you can feel confident knowing this isn't just hype, it's science. Number 3, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese delivers about 14 grams of high-quality casein protein per half cup, making it a slow-release fuel that feeds your muscles for up to 8 hours, perfect for overnight recovery. Casein forms a gentle protein blanket in your stomach, gradually releasing amino acids into your bloodstream so your body can repair muscle tissue while you sleep. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging showed seniors who added 1/2 cup of cottage cheese each night retained 30% more leg strength over 3 months, even without stepping into a gym. Beyond its protein punch, cottage cheese is rich in calcium for bone health and phosphorus for energy metabolism, two nutrients seniors often lack. It's soft, easy to chew, and kind on sensitive stomachs, ideal for anyone with dental issues or low appetite. Enjoy it straight from the tub with a spoonful of honey and cinnamon for sweetness, or mix in fresh berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. Savory fans can fold in chopped herbs, diced avocado, or a dash of hot sauce. For maximum benefit, make cottage cheese your nightly ritual. Its steady amino acid release primes your muscles to rebuild and wake you feeling stronger morning after morning. Number 2, ricotta cheese. Next up is ricotta, the creamy whey-based cheese that offers 14 grams of fast-absorbing protein per half cup, making it your go-to post-activity refuel. Unlike casein, whey protein in ricotta rushes amino acids into your system within 30 minutes, kickstarting muscle repair right after light strength work or a brisk walk. A randomized trial in clinical gerontology found that seniors who ate ricotta within an hour of resistance exercises recovered 25% faster and reported less muscle soreness than those who waited. Ricotta also brings magnesium, which supports nerve function, and vitamin D, which aids muscle contraction and immune health. Its versatile texture blends seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes. Swirl it into a berry smoothie for breakfast, dollop it atop whole grain toast with tomato and basil at lunch, or fold it into spinach and mushroom omelets for a protein-packed dinner. To stay heart healthy, choose low-sodium ricotta and pair it with fresh produce. By making ricotta a post-workout habit, whether exercises or chair squats, light dumbbells, or afternoon strolls, you harness whey's rapid repair power and keep your muscles primed for strength gains. Number 1, aged Parmesan. Finally meet your muscle's best friend, authentic Parmesan, aged 24 months or more. 1 ounce packs over 10 grams of pre-digested peptides that your body absorbs almost instantly, plus about 25% of your daily calcium in its most usable form. During its long aging, complex proteins break into small peptides and free amino acids, so your digestive system does minimal work. In a 2022 review in Nutrients, seniors who sprinkled just 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan over meals saw a 20% increase in lean muscle mass and a 15% drop in bone turnover markers after 12 weeks. Parmesan also delivers leucine, a critical trigger for muscle protein synthesis, and vitamin K2, which directs calcium into bones rather than arteries. The umami-rich flavor means a little goes a long way. Grate it over roasted vegetables, mix into scrambled eggs, or use as a finishing touch on soups and salads. Always choose authentic Parmigiano Reggiano and grate it yourself at home. Pre-ground or green can powders lack these concentrated benefits and often include fillers. By building Parmesan into your daily meals, you tap into its rapid absorption peptides and essential cofactors to rebuild and protect both muscle and bone. How to fit them? Aim for 20 to 30 grams of cheese protein at each meal. For instance, breakfast, Cottage cheese parfait layered with sliced banana, walnuts, and a drizzle of honey. Lunch, whole grain toast topped with ricotta, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Dinner, a colorful salad or steamed veggies, finished with a generous grating of Parmesan and a splash of olive oil. Pair each cheesy protein boost with simple strength moves you can do right at home. No gym required. After enjoying your cottage cheese parfait, try chair stands. Sit down on a sturdy chair as slowly as if you're sitting on a cloud. Count to 5, and then press through your heels to stand back up. This motion works your quads, glutes, and core, and by matching it to the slow-release casein from cottage cheese, you keep your muscles activated long after you've cleared your plate. Midday, following your ricotta-topped toast, drop and do wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall, place your palms at shoulder height, and bend your elbows until your nose nearly taps the wall, then press back. 10 to 15 reps recruits your chest, shoulders, and triceps, pairing perfectly with ricotta's fast-absorbing whey to signal your body to rebuild muscle fibers quickly. Finally, at dinner, just after you've sprinkled Parmesan over your veggies, grab a resistance band and wrap it under both feet. Hold the ends at shoulder height and press upward, or extend your arms out to the sides. This gentle resistance challenges your arms, back, and core without heavy weights, harnessing the rapid absorbing peptides in Parmesan to supercharge your final protein hit of the day. By spreading these mini workouts across your meals, 3 short sessions instead of 1 long workout, you trick your muscles into thinking you're exercising all day. Each 10 to 15 rep set primes your muscle cells to sense the incoming protein and fire up muscle-building pathways. Over weeks and months, this combination of nutrition and movement builds durable strength, slows sarcopenia, and keeps you nimble and independent. You'll notice everyday tasks, rising from a chair, climbing stairs, lifting groceries, become easier, and that stiff, achy feeling fades away. Medical disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new diet or exercise program, particularly if you have underlying health conditions. Now it's your turn. Which cheese and movement combo will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips that empower you to stay strong, active, and confident at any age. Sources: Ask ChatGPT.